Push up on it, Josh.
Push up?
Yeah.
There it is. That was it. Oh no, your tool broke, dude.
Now pull down.
Your tool broke.
Yeah, dude. That's
Fuck.
I'm not. You said pull down, right?
For a second.
No.
Ow!
He just kept looking at us like we fucking do what I say.
He didn't believe us for a half a second.
Well, you see how we got it handled, though, right?
Yeah.
So I got it under here, now it worked.
I love it.
Up.
Okay, time out. Time
No,
out.
it's
I
doing to
needed
go
that.
up.
I needed that.
Ooh, ooh,
Okay.
ooh, oh, no.
Now you need to go
We can't
up.
have too
Josh.
many
Right
cheese.
there. Right there.
Keep
You
it
got
higher. Too many cheese.
Just stuff the bolt in.
I'm the one guiding it.
No, you're not. Just put the damn thing in.
Are we getting this on camera?
Hopefully.
I don't
Since
know.
I said I had it all done by myself, I just needed somebody to run a jack.
Sure, that'd be fine. Ow, my head.
That's good.
Watch out for stuff. It's solid and metal.
Out here in Oklahoma.
Chocolate milk hit the floor.
Oh,
Don't damage our brand new parts car with. That ain't gonna work.
Breakfast?
I don't have
They
any
must
lights.
be outside in the refrigerator.
I don't have any lights.
Yeah.
Well, do what he does. That light. It's just.
That light.
And then do what we do exactly. Is that? Can you see this?
There should be a t-shirt, not light.
There you go, buddy.
Perfect.
There's a good shop shirt. Unprofessionals. That
Light.
Good. That's a good
light.
idea.
Only people that make sense to.
But that's
Yeah,
going to be
it
anybody
will.
watching this damn channel.
That light.
You gotta twist that.
How do you
Hold
do,
it with your thumb and twist
How do
it.
you do this with gloves on? Like, I do not get it.
Push with the, no, push with the other thumb. Use your right hand with the pliers.
I'm not strong enough.
Now use your right hands with the pliers. Can you see it?
That light.
Right.
That light.
Dude, seriously.
Ow! That's my finger.
I
Turn
think
it
that,
the other way.
It's rounded on that end, you liar.
Here. Can you see anything?
here, that light.
Oh, you have to push here. And then the
I
pin
can't
has
find
to
the
be.
pin. There it is. There it is.
Turn it, turn it, turn it.
I'm working
Quick,
on it.
turn
Turn it, turn it,
turn
turn the damn
turn
thing. Turn it is in.
Sure.
No, turn it. Okay.
Listen, guys. I'm talking to the camera.
Window.
You put the spring in,
Then the cam.
then the cam, and you lob that cam sideways. You do the spring thing, and then as the spring gets you,
There's a tool
Then
that
it kicks
spreads.
in.
Is it right there?
yeah. That.
Does that go against our compliance rules? Can I have a professional tool?
I don't know where to put the light.
You know what I do with it?
I'm gonna throw that sucker.
You go like this.
Okay, seriously though, this light is
And then it
the.
ain't
We're taking a
working.
picture of this light, the magnet.
I put my arm here. It's gonna hurt
Yes.
because you're gonna get me. That light ain't working.
Light.
Let me hold the light. There.
You know what? Honestly, it's
It's
perfect.
perfect.
It's right where I need the light, and the direction, and the angle, and everything. I just can't see after that.
But don't hit me. No, you missed. Oh, you missed.
Oh, I want to do it, but
Oh, did that get on camera?
Okay.
On again. You're not supposed to have that on.
I just want to say something real quick, please. See what we did here. That whole thing, just a emergency brake. We're done.
Yeah, that was neat. Wait. Is it in? Is it in? Okay. Just don't. All brakes, you can get lucky with making sure the last thing you hook up is gonna be the adjuster thing that he's got. And the reason why is because
That light.
all goes to and you can't do nothing. You can crush that adjuster all the way down, and then it's small, and then it goes in there, and then you open it all the way back up.
If you had that spreader, you'd be okay.
Yeah, it would spread it right open. I feel like something's about to come out.
See, he's just bruting it, man. It's supposed to be easy, just no effort.
Clip like that.
That was close. That could have.
You could have lost something.
The brakes are done. It's been a long time since we honestly done brake unprofessional. Yeah, that's definitely good.
That's plastic.
It's fun doing it.
Dang, what's all this? Destructive.
Kids.
You rub that and it's gonna get stiff. You quit.
What are we talking about now?
Well, I see you trying to get a genie out of it.
Well, I'm actually cleaning the magnet.
Fire did.
You
Okay.
didn't clean the
You
inside.
don't have to.
You didn't clean the inside.
Just don't touch it.
You didn't
Okay.
clean the inside.
And you did do the hub, right? And the studs.
Everything.
That stuff is strong.
Here you go. No, you have to put it in there for spacer.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
No, that's what you're doing.
I get it. Okay, I get it. You want to take it? No.
Really cool. How do you guys get the e-brakes?
That you have to check tape.
Okay, I'll check tape.
Got it. Uh-oh.
That's why I said we had the springs out before we pulled these up.
I'll go this way.
You can't fall asleep without looking that way.
It's old age.
You want the one with the circle?
There's another shirt. Senior fell asleep.
You want the one with the circle?
I mean, I didn't crank on it real tight, but
It's a little sensor holds it. That might be too big.
That's what she said.
whoa.
You weren't that. Wow.
We're in.
Pinch my arm. What do you mean?
Yeah, but you're lucky your fingers weren't down by that or anything.
Pinch my arm. What are you talking about? I did get.
No, it didn't. It
Yeah,
probably
got my arm
closed
right
like a
here.
quarter of an
Got
inch.
me arm, boys.
It got me arm.
Me heart.
Me arm.
Okay, I feel like you're sagging again.
It's 33. How's that? It can't be much. So what do you mean the
Just
sagging?
jack.
I can't. I'm not gonna just jack.
There, hold it.
No.
Now you got there.
That light is
Fine.
Can you move that light?
Just
That's
yeah.
our new shirt. That
I don't
light.
have this big, huge, thick, raw bolt. I don't need it that long.
This don't fit.
Hey!
That is way too big.
Are you still playing with that sensor? I told you how to
I
move it.
need a socket.
What size?
And then what's this thing?
We need food.
He's such a girl.
The impact one is inside the
I
container.
don't
That is
need-
not an
That
impact.
is not an impact.
Anything.
And you're gonna run it anyways?
I'm already done over
This
there.
That
don't
is-
fit.
Sure.
I need a bigger one.
That was the shirt.
What are you putting together over
The
there?
shot.
We're making sure.
Oh, yeah, I know, yeah. Where's your bolt? Where's your shock bolt over there? What are you doing?
No, you need the adapter. It's behind
Yeah,
you.
it's a complex.
It's behind you. The adapter.
It's a complex.
Yeah, relocator thingy. That light.
Whatever this thing is.
Now I know what I was
Exactly. Come on.
You are not. It's not. Something's wrong.
He.
Something's.
He just doesn't know what size things really are. And
It's just spinning. Something's wrong.
I think you're supposed to do the other side. He just kind of throws things together.
Ow! Not
I
sorry.
hand him what he needs to get the job
Not
done.
sorry. So these are the screws. How come you never used them? What did you use?
Man, that guy over there.
These are the screws.
Those
for
are
the
the
bracket.
screws for the bracket.
I don't know what you use.
Maybe your side, I don't know. Mine all went in just fine.
They probably did because you know they're small and you just cram them in.
That is a sad story, right?
I don't. This don't fit anything.
See? No, it's good. Dude, stop. See? No, it's good. Right?
Where's the 10 millimeter?
Oh, yeah, you will need that. This right here. That guy's what saved me.
I want a 10 millimeter socket.
You'll be alright. One day you'll actually
You be alright.
hopefully be as good as me.
Like now.
but it sounds like
This-
it's a long ways away.
I
What
gave you
is
the
this
8.
thing?
I need the 10.
I'm done with that.
I
Just
need-
because you got one shock ahead
you're
of
done
me.
with it, and I never even got it.
Exactly. Because
Because
you were over there
you
worrying
never
about
gave it to me.
all kinds of things.
You know what's
and
neat?
Behind and
He
We
never
might
gave
have
it
gotten
to
rid
me.
of that clunking.
He never gave it to me. He
We
never
might
gave
have
it
gotten
to
rid
me.
of that
He never gave
clunking.
it to me. Never gave it to me.
Except for the front end. You got a pretty nasty front
He
end
never
clunk.
gave it to me. He never gave it to
Because
me.
you
it's
gonna go tell HR?
Yeah, go tell HR.
I've been getting that a lot.
You're not playing fair with people. You got the tools. You done with it. Give it back.
I've got so much motion. It's my own fault at this point.
I gave you the
There's no
gun.
more
It works better.
Yeah, that's what he did.
Here's a turboed one.
Yeah, he does.
Yours is turboed a
Oh, I
gear.
don't know if it got crossbred, but don't care either.
No,
As long as it's there, see.
I started it, and then I hit the. I had to use the air gun to get
That's
it
what
in
we
there.
need. We need an air gun that's like when it sheds. Do you see where the
Somebody
back?
pulled the drive shaft out and it's going to start leaking. It needs to go back in the transfer case.
Push in. Grab it right over your left shoulder.
I don't think he
And then
understands.
push
it.
in.
Push
Towards
in
No,
the
no, no,
engine.
no,
to
no.
the transfer case.
To the transfer
To the
case.
engine. Yep. There you go. Perfect.
There you go.
Now stick it up in the slot.
Well, you
Don't
have
knock
to-
the caps off.
You don't have to do any of that.
You might knock the caps off. I wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't. I just
Come
wanted
over here to
push
the
it in.
nipple. Do you see the nipple? Yeah. Do you see the hose? Yeah. Now, where's the clip though? Is
It's
it on
on
there?
it. You just
Do you
don't
see-
knock the dirt in the nipple.
You see how scared he
Put
got?
the nipple over the hole.
He was all like, "That's my oil! Don't lose my oil!"
I got Lucas in there. Ow, don't forget to tell that GoPro to do stuff.
GoPro, stop.
Capture.
Yeah, GoPro, stop capture.
Ow. I can't believe you let me put that in.
Too important of a piece
Yep.
to let me touch.
You should have let me do that. That was bad. Just before we explain, do you know what this
Dun 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 dun.
Cars, okay?
Handle is what helps you.
That sucker just goes.
Like father, like son. Now, look here, people. Again, it's been a long day for us. We don't ever get to see each other. We're a working family. Literally hanging out and working like this. This is how we get together. This is how we see each other. Hopefully, we pay you guys by smiles. If at any point you couldn't keep a straight face watching this anarchy, give it a thumbs up. Hey, we're family. Okay, so I think we were right about here, and we had this Jeep sitting kind of right in here, and I had snap. Axle swap with lockers. Done. Okay.
Dang it!
He wasn't there.
The magic, he's there now.
The-
That's what the snap did.
Okay, we're concluding all of that right there. All right, sounds good.
That's good.
Okay, and give us a like. We're not even gonna,
What?
if you liked it
Yeah.
or not.
No.
No, just click like and boost us till our next video. All right, see you then.
Love you. Bye.
GoPro stop capture. GoPro stop capture, bitch.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you guys
Anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening
was I
the
supposed to be
the-
watching?